Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable participants from unmuting themselves during Zoom meetings using the mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a meeting. This could be an instant meeting or a scheduled one, whichever works for your needs. Once your meeting is active, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the meeting controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the essential features you need during your meeting, from managing participants to adjusting audio and video settings. Now, from the meeting controls at the bottom, tap on Participants. This will open up a list showing everyone who's currently in your meeting. From here, you have full control over participant permissions and can manage who has the ability to speak during your session. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on Mute All. This action will instantly mute everyone in the meeting, which is particularly useful when you need to address the group or eliminate background noise. It ensures everyone is listening rather than accidentally interrupting with their audio. After you've muted all participants, you'll notice an option at the bottom that says Allow participants to unmute themselves. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Tap on this toggle switch to disable it. By turning this off, you're preventing participants from unmuting themselves independently. This gives you complete control over who can speak and when, which is especially helpful during presentations, webinars, or structured meetings where you want to manage the flow of conversation. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled the option for participants to unmute themselves during your Zoom meeting on mobile. This feature ensures you maintain full control over your meeting's audio environment. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.